Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're talking about SD-WAN security best practices for today's distributed enterprises. As more and more companies shift to a distributed workforce, the need for secure and reliable connectivity is crucial. That's where SD-WAN comes in. It's a game changer in the world of networking, providing agility, cost savings, and improved performance. But with this new technology comes new security challenges. In this clip, we'll discuss the top security best practices for implementing SD-WAN in your enterprise. So, let's dive in. First things first, it's important to understand that SD-WAN is not a replacement for traditional security measures such as firewalls and encryption. Rather, it works in conjunction with these tools to enhance overall security. One key insight to keep in mind is that, unlike traditional networks, SD-WAN operates on the application level. This means that security policies can be applied to individual applications instead of the entire network. This not only increases security, but also improves network performance by reducing unnecessary traffic. Another best practice is to ensure that your SD-WAN solution includes advanced threat protection. With the rise of cyber attacks, having an extra layer of security is crucial. Look for a solution that includes features like intrusion detection and prevention, anti-malware, and secure web gateways. These will help protect your network from potential threats and keep your data safe. Next, it's important to have a strong authentication process in place. This means using multi-factor authentication for remote access and implementing strict access controls for users. With a distributed workforce, there are more endpoints to secure, making proper authentication vital. Another key consideration is to regularly update and patch your SD-WAN solution. Just like any other software, vulnerabilities can be found and exploited. By keeping your solution up to date, you can ensure that any potential security gaps are closed. Lastly, it's important to have a comprehensive disaster recovery plan in place. In the event of a cyber attack or network outage, your business needs to be able to recover quickly and efficiently. Make sure your SD-WAN solution has built-in failover and redundancy capabilities to ensure minimal downtime. So there you have it, the top SD-WAN security best practices for today's distributed enterprises. By implementing these measures, you can ensure a secure and reliable network for your business. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Stay ahead of the game and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.